Oh boy, I've been waiting for this.
Because I live in Romania, I went to Hornbach because they have the best prices for beech tree tabletops, and I needed two of them. With 240 centimeters length, 63.5 centimeters width, and 2.7 centimeters thickness. I asked one of the tabletops to be cut at 130 and the other one at 140 centimeters. Then the remainings were cut at 21 centimeters, from which I will fabric 3 monitor stands. And I was also left with 110 centimeters of tabletop, from which I will create another small standing desk. All of this cost me around $230, and this also includes a paintbrush and also a solvent-based varnish.
1 week later.
So this is how the top of the desk will look like. With the L shape on the left, we'll flip everything around like this, and then we want to install the metallic structure from MARK Adler. So this is the current setup. I measured 24 centimeters from the metallic frame to the end of the wooden board. I measured everywhere, also from here 24 centimeters to the end of the wooden board, so that everything is equal. Also here and here. Here I only have 2 centimeters because that's the amount of board I wanted to have. Be aware, less than 130 centimeters on the board on the left side is actually not enough. So I also left 17 centimeters so I can fit a drawer under the desk. Also here you can see I drilled everything before screwing everything together, because not drilling the holes before screwing everything together might just break the wood.
Boy, I've been waiting for this.
So we have one engine over here, another engine over here, the adapter. So there are quite a lot of cables.
Nice.
I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. All the items from this build can be found in the description. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video in order to grow the channel and to help me to release more content like this. In the same time, keep close because we will do the cable management for this desk. So yeah, see you on the next one.